All right. What happens to your body when you eat ginger every day? Ginger is a spice that has been used for over 4,000 years. It's a very powerful herb that helps to treat or prevent many types of diseases. This popular spice was originally found in both Indian cuisine and traditional Chinese medicine. The distinctive taste of ginger is produced by its active ingredient gingerol, which shows antibacterial and antioxidant properties, in addition to affecting your taste buds. Ginger affects numerous other bodily functions. Here are a few notable health benefits of eating ginger before we proceed. Please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's jump in and talk about the 9 benefits of ginger. Number 1, eases nausea. Ginger has traditionally been used in Chinese medicine as a medication to prevent vomiting, and as a digestive aid. It's believed that ginger helps alleviate nausea by stimulating the production of saliva and gastric juices in the stomach, which helps digest food more efficiently. The herb may also act as an antispasmodic agent, which is a substance that controls muscle spasms. This may help relax smooth muscles within the digestive tract. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, shogols, zingerons, and other aromatic oils that are thought to be responsible for their anti-nausea properties. This spice has also been found to have anti-inflammatory effects in the gastrointestinal tract, which may be another reason why it can help with nausea to get rid of nausea. Try drinking ginger tea. Ginger tea can be prepared by adding 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger root to 1 cup of boiling water. Let it cool for 10 minutes before drinking. You can drink this remedy 2 or 3 times a day when experiencing mild nausea or vomiting associated with pregnancy or motion sickness. If you experience severe nausea or vomiting, see your doctor immediately. They can recommend the best treatment option for your situation. Number 2, boosts the immune system. Adding ginger to your diet can help boost the immune system by increasing circulation throughout the body, which helps your body fight off infections. Ginger contains various compounds such as gingerol and shogol, which have been shown to stimulate the body's production of natural killer cells. These cells are very important elements of your immune system. Gingerol has been found to increase the activity of white blood cells, which are necessary for fighting infection. This compound also increases the production of macrophages, which eliminate foreign and harmful substances from the body. This helps ward off bacteria, viruses, and other invaders that could cause illness or disease. Researchers also showed that shogol can prevent certain types of cells from dying when exposed to viruses such as influenza A and rhinoviruses, which cause colds. Number 3, helps ease migraines. Ginger has been used as a home remedy for migraines for centuries. It's believed to work by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes in the body that are thought to play a role in migraines. In addition, it may help relax muscles and reduce swelling in blood vessels, which can ease the pain. To get the most benefit from ginger, you should try eating it raw or dried, or adding it to your favorite recipes. You can also buy ginger supplements at most pharmacies and health food stores. Ginger also contains shogao, which has been shown to decrease blood flow in the brain. This may help ease migraine pain by reducing blood flow to sensitive areas of your brain. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 4, it may lower the risk of cancer. Cancer is a terrifying disease. It kills more than 500,000 people each year in the United States alone, and it often strikes people in their prime years. Although there are many forms of cancer, they have all one thing in common. They're caused by uncontrolled cell growth. For example, skin cancer is caused by damaged cells that don't die off when they should. In some cases, the damaged cells grow into tumors that can spread to other parts of the body. Researchers have found that ginger contains antioxidants and phytochemicals that may help fight cancer cells in the body. In one study, researchers found that extracts from ginger affected prostate cancer cells in vitro. They also found that they could lower the risk of prostate cancer by up to 40% if people ate 3 grams per day of powdered ginger root in a study published in the Journal of Cancer Prevention Research. Scientists examined the effects of ginger on mice with breast cancer. They found that ginger extract reduced the growth of tumors by about 50% and significantly reduced their size. The researchers then looked at human breast cancer cells in a petri dish and found that they were less likely to spread their tentacles when exposed to ginger extract. This suggests that ginger could be an effective treatment for metastatic breast cancer, which is often fatal because it spreads throughout the body. Number 5 manages high blood sugar levels. Ginger has been used for centuries to help manage high blood sugar. In fact, ginger has been found to help lower glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes when taken in capsule form. This is because its active compounds such as gingerols and shogols help stimulate the pancreas to produce more insulin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. In one study published in 2009, researchers found that ginger improved glucose tolerance by increasing insulin secretion from the pancreas and improving insulin sensitivity. The study involved 16 healthy volunteers who were given either 500 milligrams of ginger powder or a placebo before meals 3 times daily for 40 days. The results showed that those who took ginger had significantly lower postprandial blood glucose levels than those who did not take it. Number 6 helps ease anxiety. One of the most common reasons people seek medical help is anxiety. Anxiety is a mental health condition that causes feelings of fear, nervousness, or worry. While some anxiety is normal and even helpful at times, it can become overwhelming and interfere with your daily life if it continues for too long or gets out of control. The good news is that there are many ways to manage anxiety, including exercise and diet changes. For example, experts suggest that eating foods high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids may help reduce anxiety symptoms. Ginger is another natural remedy for managing anxiety. It has been used as an herbal remedy for centuries in Asia and Africa to help with calmness and reduce feelings of nervousness. Number 7. It may help reduce indigestion. Indigestion is a common problem that many people experience after eating. Symptoms include bloating, gas, frequent burping, and heartburn. These symptoms often come on quickly after eating and last for several hours or days after the meal. Ginger is one of several herbs used as a natural remedy for indigestion. Other herbs that may help include fennel seeds, peppermint leaves, basil leaves, and chamomile flowers. Ginger also contains gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the pain caused by indigestion. Gingerols can even help reduce the production of gastric acid in the stomach, which helps treat mild cases of stomach ulcers. When it comes to reducing indigestion, ginger can be taken in the form of tea or added to food or drinks. You can also find supplements that contain concentrated amounts of ginger for maximum effectiveness. Number 8. It may help with asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disease that makes it difficult to breathe. The airways, which are tubes that carry air into your lungs, become swollen and narrow, causing shortness of breath, wheezing, and coughing. Although there's no cure for asthma, many people can manage their symptoms well enough to control their asthma without using inhalers or other medications on a daily basis. The gingerol found in ginger helps to relax muscles in the airways of the lungs. This helps reduce swelling and makes it easier for you to breathe. It also reduces mucus production in your lungs, which makes it easier to cough up sputum if you have trouble breathing. Try juicing 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root and drink it as soon as possible. You can also make tea with fresh ginger root by putting 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root into 1 cup of water and boiling it for 5 minutes. Number 9. It may help to decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Ginger helps to decrease the risk of Alzheimer's disease by inhibiting the formation of plaques. In the brain, plaques are deposits of amyloid beta peptide on the brain's nerve cells, which eventually cause Alzheimer's disease. The results from a study showed that ginger extract inhibited a beta production by up to 80% in lab tests. Gingerol also helps to reduce oxidative stress in the brain by inhibiting enzymes such as cyclooxygenase 2 and 5-lipogenase. These enzymes are responsible for producing inflammatory compounds in the brain, which can lead to Alzheimer's disease. The decrease in antioxidant enzymes, such as catalase and glutathione peroxidase, also contributes to oxidative stress because they help remove free radicals from the body. Are there any health risks with ginger? Ginger is considered to be a safe food and has no known side effects when consumed in moderation. However, it may interact with some medications and other herbal supplements. Ginger may also lower blood sugar levels and affect the way your body uses other herbs, vitamins, or medication. Some people experience mild gastrointestinal symptoms, like bloating, nausea, and diarrhea. After consuming ginger, people who have gallstones should avoid using ginger because it can worsen symptoms. It's important to talk with your doctor before taking ginger. If you have diabetes or a bleeding disorder, such as hemophilia, or if you're taking any medications for these conditions, ginger may also interact with certain heart medications. So check with your doctor before adding it to your diet if you're on any of these medications. As you can see, there are many things that ginger is good for. And if you add this seasonal treat to your daily diet, you may find that it relieves a number of symptoms and discomfort by covering all the bases. Ginger is a versatile remedy that belongs in every health-conscious person's kitchen. More than that, it has anti-inflammatory properties. So it's an excellent addition to dieters' toolkits. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Your wellness is our mission foreign.